Have you guys heard the news? People were acting like the sky is falling. The word came down that Fannie Mae is going to get rid of its credit score requirements for a loan. And people were saying, okay, here we go again. This is 2000. This is the early 2000s all over again. We're lowering credit requirements. All these people who shouldn't be allowed to buy homes are going to get to buy homes. They're going to default and they're going to crash the mortgage market again. Okay, listen, everybody gather around. I'm going to educate you. I want you to understand something. Maybe nobody told you this or you didn't understand it from the movie The Big Short, but I'm going to walk you through this. I need you to understand, first and foremost, most government insured backed loans at their core in the underwriting requirements, they never had credit score requirements like your FHAs and VAs. They don't have credit score requirements. They have debt to income ratio requirements. They have reserve requirements, but they typically didn't have credit score requirements. So you say, well, Mark, but when I went to go get my loan, I needed a certain credit score. Yes, that is true. And why is that true? Because of something called an underwriting overlay. Each individual lender who lends money hopes to give you a mortgage, bundle all of its mortgages together, and sell those mortgages on the market on Wall Street. And so to do that, those packages of mortgages have to meet certain guidelines and requirements. So even if FHA or VA didn't have a credit score requirement, the buyer of bundles of mortgages do have credit score requirements because they get grouped in tranches. So people who have 700 plus credit scores are A paper, and then you have B paper, C paper, all the way down to people that got super high interest loans with 580 scores. Those people are in a different tranche, and that paper sells for less money than the A paper. That's how that works. And so there's still going to be an overlay that lenders do. So what Wells Fargo may require, that Bank of America has a different requirement, that Chase Bank has a different requirement, that Capital One has a different requirement, and all the hundreds of lenders that are out there, they put an overlay in their underwriting to say, this is what we will take.